Hi, I'm Arne. I'm not the youngest, but definitely the newest part of the Centerbeam family. And I have the unique pleasure to show you some details about this lovely house. It's 1920s, I believe, bungalow. And we're gonna talk today about subfloor installation in the bathroom and the attic, as well as some other details. So come on in. Oh, let's walk inside. It's still a little dirty from the roof install. Come on in, faster, faster. We don't have all day. And here we are again. So this is our two bathrooms we are putting in, and we're putting in the subfloor right now, as those guys are doing. Here's our most important tool for Florida winters, our small little space heater. We are putting backing in for the subfloor, and basically we're just making an even surface so we can stub out our plumbing and later on install tile. What's also important is that we are always running the sheets perpendicular to our floor joists, just to give it maximum stability. You see, I'm not super heavy, but you see it's not moving at all. So quite a good installation so far. Also, our plumbers asked us to keep one sheet unattached, so there's an easy way for them to get underneath the house and later on stub out the plumbing. Now you probably ask yourself what this big box all the way up in the attic is. Well, this is actually a whole house fan that has been pretty common with older homes here in this area. It is a fan that is running and creating basically a draft in the whole house. So during warm summers, you can open up all the windows in the house and there's a suction effect, and you basically get fresh air into the house without having a conventional AC back in the day. Quite a clever solution. So here's the storage hub of the new house. We added plywood, as you can see. Before putting any flooring down, it's really important to plan everything out properly. So we have to somehow fit an AC here. We also somehow have to fit a lot of plywood up here. That needs to be leveled, so quite challenging. Yeah, we just have a lot of flexibility. Another thing we decided to always do with our subfloors, we mark the joist spacing, so we are not drilling into empty space. You can see it here. The pencil marks are everywhere. It doesn't really matter. You won't see it afterward, but it just makes installation way easier and quicker. It will look great, and we'll have plenty of space for the future homeowners. So in total, we're gonna add 7 sheets of plywood just for storage and 2 other sheets for the future AC. This is the strongest guys we found to lift the plywood into the attic, but yeah, this will really maximize space up here and give a lot of flexibility. Okay, that was today's fun-filled Saturday. What are we doing next? That's the big question. Well, 3 things. Framing, we're gonna add some new closets. We're gonna add some more walls in the bathroom. We're gonna add some attic stairs so you can actually get to the plywood that we put up there. And what was third? Huh? Oh yeah. Thanks, Chloe. Plumbing. We're gonna add shower valves. We're gonna stub out the plumbing, prepare everything for tile install and tub installation, and yeah, really make the next big steps of the project. So excited for you to tune in again, and see you soon. Bye.